Hi there, and welcome to episode 181 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a B-flat major scale. And this is definitely something that you will use. It makes for a nice exercise. I'm playing it down in first position, taking advantage of open strings. A lot of times you may learn scales just in a certain position, up the neck, a box position, without using any open strings. But it's very important to get to know open strings as well. This will help increase your knowledge with the guitar as well. So this is the basic scale. The B-flat, first fret on the A string, then the third fret on the A string, and the open D. So, then first fret on the D string, third fret on the D string, open G string, second fret on the G string, third fret on the G strings. G string, okay, ready? So again from the top, back down again. Okay, and just play it through, and as always, keep it as smooth as possible, and you're going between the open strings and the fretted strings, so make sure those open strings ring out and then are stopped as soon as you're done with playing them. Try to get it as smooth and legato as you can. Okay, as you get faster, just make sure to keep it very smooth and even. Okay, I hope it's useful to you. As always, thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.